Hello and welcome to this video. Let me start over. Hello and welcome to this video. I've been trying to learn a claw hammer style technique of playing on this ukulele, and it got me interested in wanting to try to play it on a banjo. Well, I have a banjo that I got back in high school, but the tailpiece is broken. So I need to fix that. And that's what this video will be about. But first, I just want to show where I'm at trying to play the claw hammer in case you don't know what claw hammer style is. I mean, I literally just started, so I'm not an expert. Anyway, let me just move the camera and show you. So, you hit the string with your nail going down like that. That's the hammer part. And then your thumb's the claw, and it plucks like this. So anyway, this is just a quick thing. If you care about it, you can look it up online, but anyway, that's basically that's where the tailpiece is broken. Here's what the inside of the resonator looks like. It's a pretty inexpensive banjo, so it's just plastic. And then this is the inside of the back of the banjo. Here's the problem, this part broke. I don't have a way to braze or weld this together. So I do have this roll of nickel. No, this is not nickel, this is zinc. Well, at first I was going to cut a strip off of this and then wrap it around this corner and pop rivet into place. But now I'm not sure since this is zinc. Maybe I'll see if I have some steel or something. I found this piece of aluminum that was part of our shower before I did a remodel. So I think that might work just fine. That's more than enough. Here I have it clamped into place. I don't have a good center punch, so I'm going to be marking where to drill with this little burr. Okay, here's what it looks like. This is pretty hard to drill through, so I used a small bit and then stepped up the size. The hole's not quite centered, but I think it'll be okay. So I'm going to pop this together and then put a hole here and then probably another one there and then maybe another one here. So normally, here's the pop rivet. Normally I would put a little washer on the inside, but I can't find them. So I'm just going to hope that the mushrooming part will be enough. Finding a way to clamp this has been kind of challenging for me because I don't have a small clamp. So I'm going to try to see if I can get it wedged into the corner of the vise like that. Well, I'm pretty happy with how sturdy it is after just the two rivets. So for now I'm going to install it as it is and hopefully it will hold up. And if it doesn't, I will have learned. One other sort of downside, which I don't know too much about, is this screw makes this part hinge in and out. It pushes against the banjo, and this rivet right here sticks down too low so it can't go in very far. So it's as if the screw is always pushing heavy, screwed in a far away, I think. But I don't know a lot about that either, so I'm not going to worry about that for right now. I'm just going to install it and see how things go. So here it is. This tuning peg needs some work. I think I need to tighten that screw or something because I can't get this 5th string up as high as it needs to be. But otherwise, let me just let you hear how it sounds. See, that 5th one is supposed to be that high, but for some reason I can't get it that high. I don't think I have the bridge in quite the right spot, and it's tilted. But anyway, so there it is. It's pretty fun. I'm glad I got it at least semi-playable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!